Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Imperial Diecast. And today I'm going to teach you how to remove certain 143 scale model cars from their base that are not fixed into place with normal screws or Phillips head screws. So as you can see, if we take a look at the bottom of this car, or this base actually, you can see that we have this particular head here. And this is what we call a triangle head, because it's in the shape of a triangle. And normal screwdrivers do not work with this type of screw. So for example, we have here the Phillips head screwdriver, and this is the standard X shape. And if you try to remove the screw with this, it's just not going to work. You can hear that? There's just nothing working there. And even the flathead screwdrivers are not really going to work because, as you can see, it's just also not turning the screw. So instead, what you're going to need are triangle head screwdrivers, which look like this. You can see it has the triangle head. And this is something that I purchased from AliExpress in China. Essentially, it just cost me like $2 or $3, including shipping. And it came in this little sachet, which is not ideal because you actually want to have like a long screwdriver like this so that you can use the laws of physics and turn the screw more efficiently by applying more torque. With these short ones, if the screw is quite tight, then you will need to basically hold this part with a pair of pliers and then turn it around like that. And once out of their packaging, you can see that they come in these various sizes. And I am currently using the S2 screw, so this is the one I need. And let's get started. And now it's going to turn the screw. So this is a very good method of being able to open triangle head screws. It's just going to cost you a couple of bucks. You can buy this on eBay or on AliExpress, or maybe even check out your local hardware store. I'm sure they'll have it. So just because you don't have one in your household yet doesn't mean you have to despair. Take care.